This is level 4, and we did some real weird way of doing Charleston. Essentially, we did across the room exercise because we wanted to work on our traveling Charleston. And we broke it into sections. There were things we were messing with, single kicks, different things on double kicks, different things on quadruple kicks, things that I kind of lumped with basic Charleston stuff. And then we did just like weird stuff that was sort of jump Charleston-y. So I'll show some of them. I probably won't be able to do over. So, single kicks, we did just single kicks traveling, up, and single kicks traveling backwards. That's something that people really work with. Double kicks. Usual double kicks with kind of hand-to-hand vibe. And back. Then we did double kicks as in airplanes. Then we did weird things with double kicks. Probably later on, but we did double kick, hop, double kick, hop, double kick, double kick, hop. So we did that kind of stuff with double kicks. Then we did quadruple kicks, which is something like this. Hop, 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 hop. We also did it from airplanes. Hop, 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 hop. Then we did all of the different stuff with basic Charleston. So for example, we did, oh my gosh, we did hop, hop with more cross. Then we did hop with travel. Then we did, oh my gosh, we did rock star kick, rock star kick, rock star kick with travel. Then we did rock star kick, hit it. Rock star kick, hit it. Then we did hitch and thumb on both sides, which messed with everybody's brains. But probably something else in Charleston, but then weird stuff. For example, ha, 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 ha. Or if you want to, ha on one side, right? And you can do it on left, ha. And then we did this little thing. Or also left, right. Or if you want to mix them up.